guys, welcome to my video. This time I will explain about discussion text. Discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. This problem will be discussed from different viewpoints. Discussion is commonly found in philosophical, historic, and social texts. Generic structure of discussion text. 1. Statement of issues. Stating the issues which is to discuss. It contains an opening statement presenting the issues which is going to be discussed. The issues must drive problematic discussion. 2. Argument for and against and supporting advance. Argument for pro. It provides argument to support the pro opinion. It is complete with supporting advential examples or elaboration. Argument against con. It states the argument which disagree to the state issues. It is also supported by advanced examples or elaboration. 3. Recommendation. Stating the writer recommendation of the discourse. The conclusion or recommendation sometimes sums up both sides of the argument if they are fairly balanced, or can recommend one argument over the other if the advance is great. Purpose of the discussion text. 1. To present a point of view about issues or problems. 2. To present argument for differing point of view about issues or problems. Language feature of discussion text. Language feature of discussion text. The following are language feature of discussion text. 1. Use of simple present tense. 2. Use of modal, for example, must, should, could, and may. 3. Use of adjective, contrastive, and casual conjunction, such as in this addition, similarly, on the other hand, however, therefore. The following are words used to introduce another point of view. 1. Although, however, in contrast, even though. 2. Pay attention to advance support this. Please take note. 4. Use of command adverbs to expression opinion such as personally, obviously, clearly. 5. Use of saying verbs to quote, relating verbs, e.g. is, thinking verbs expressing a personal point of view. 6. Generally use third person. 7. Use a statement about a matter. The following are expressions used to state a matter or issues. The first paragraph. There are two sides to. There are different points of view of. The example of decision text. Should drug dealers be given the death penalty? Some people were executed in Indonesia through July 2016. Most death penalty cases involve the execution of drug dealers. Although capital punishment can also be applied for treason, espionage, and other crimes. Many for and against reaction came after the execution. Then, should the death penalty for drug dealers in Indonesia? Proponents of the death penalty say that it is an important tool for law enforcement, deterrence crime, and costs less than life imprisonment. They also argue that retribution or an A for an A honors the victim, helps console grieving families, and ensures the drug dealers never have been opportunity to cause future tragedy, especially for big dealers. Opponents of capital punishment say that it has no deterrent effect on crime, gives governments overlapped power to take human life, and potentially makes social injustice by disproportionality. Neatly, targeting people of color, racists, and people who cannot afford good attorn- attorneys classes. They say lifetime jail sentences are a more appropriate than death. They add the drugs curious should not be given death penalty, but imprisonment. In conclusion, death penalty will always exist in your society, in our society, as well as its pros and cons. For the proponents of this action, they think it will be very effective to deter crime, while for those who are against this policy, they argue that this punishment will potentially make social injustice. The punishment in, is in accordance with how big the crime was committed. Thank you for watching.
Fantasize about. I know about you. I know about you.